What's up, guys? My name's Noah. Today I'm doing a LED light panel acrylic pour. I've got some neon, some metallics, and some glitter acrylic paint mixed with 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol, a little bit of water, a little bit of silicone, and then I'm pouring on an LED light panel that I picked up at Home Depot for about 50 bucks. Adding some silicone now. And this is a dirty pour, so now I'm mixing the paint, or pouring the paint into a mixing cup that'll allow me to meter it out how I want to across the surface. But you can see each layer of paint stays relatively segregated while it's in the cup. I decided to go just right down the middle and then back and forth a couple of times. That'll allow me to spread it out pretty evenly without losing too much over the edges. As you can see, these panels are meant to be installed like flush mounted with the ceiling, but you can wire them up with just a extension cord kind of thing, at least to give a sense of what it's going to look like when it's all lit up. But for installation as a project, I would typically go for the flush mount. Here it is with the LED panel illuminated for the first time, turning some of the overhead lights off. And yeah, I'm pretty stoked with it. Here's some of the close-up shots. The results you can get with these LED panels are just phenomenal. I've got a whole bunch more to upload and share with you guys, so please like and subscribe if you're interested. Again, thank you for stopping by. Enjoy the pretty colors on the way out. Cheers.